Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Trailhawk Compass. This one is white. Underneath the hood is an inline 4-cylinder 2.4 with 180 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch wheels. Trail rated 4x4. Compass badging on the side. Black leather with red stripes. Leather interior. Panorama sunroof. "4x4" Trailhawk badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of all season floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Keyless entry. Power windows. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Different driving settings. Auxiliary and USB ports. Automatic transmission. This Jeep has 34,475 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep Compass Trailhawk, visit us at feldmanimports.com.